So crypto is changing fast, and I'm here to tell you about it. We've actually been talking about it, but this message, I'm hoping it gets through. And I'm going to give you guys my thoughts and my opinions on why the cryptocurrency market is literally changing before our eyes, why it's changing in terms of what sequence of events have happened and what I think will happen. Of course, that's speculation. Nobody knows for sure, but how I'm basically hedging my bets right now ahead of, I think, a very much changing crypto landscape moving into 2025. And I don't want this video to like shake you out or anything like that. I just want to give you guys my insights, and I give it to you real, I give it to you raw, I give it to you exactly how I feel every single day on this channel. And that's why I think you should subscribe. It's totally free to do so, and I think you'll enjoy the perspective. So what we're seeing right now today is kind of a microcosm of what we've been seeing for a long time. And let me explain exactly what I'm talking about here. Right now, Bitcoin is up. Okay, it's up a little over 1%. We've set new all-time highs today. It's up on the 7-day period. And we take a look across the major altcoin market, and we're seeing only a few cryptos here and there across the board: Kronos, Cardano, Stellar, right? And then here's Bitcoin. Like there isn't much else up, right? Kind of weird, right? Because if Bitcoin's up setting new all-time highs, historically, that should mean that there's capital flowing into altcoins as well. And we've seen a little bit of that, but we have not seen the rotation, the full rotation into altcoins yet. What we have seen is Bitcoin dominance continue to move up higher. In fact, it almost recently today got to 62%. Right now, it's dialed back a little bit. But the big storyline here is Ethereum. Ethereum has been stuck in the mud, and eventually I think it will change. How high will Ethereum go? I don't know. I'm not as bullish as I once was in this cycle, just because there is so much hype and attention and focus and direction being put on Bitcoin because of what? Bitcoin ETFs, Bitcoin strategic reserves, Bitcoin is legal tender, Bitcoin in pension funds, and the list goes on and on and on and on. So Bitcoin is stealing the show for now. And if we sort here by the top losers in the last 24 hours, meanwhile, let me preface this again. Bitcoin is up on the day, and we have these top 100 cryptos. Now, a lot of them are meme coins, which are super volatile. I understand that, right? And HBAR just exploded. I get that. But Beam's down 12%, Immutable X down 8%, Pepe, large cap meme coin, they're down 8%. We're seeing altcoins sell off, all while Bitcoin continues to climb. And I don't think this is a trend that's necessarily going to change all that much. And again, this is not to say that the altcoin season won't happen. It's not to say that, you should just, divest everything and get out of everything right now. It's like, don't hear me wrong here. All I'm saying is there's a reason why I have been playing this crypto market the way I've been playing it for so long. And I feel like I've said this a lot, but I'm going to say it again. I've been buying Bitcoin a little bit every single day since April of 2022. Bitcoin is the largest piece of my portfolio. I look at it as the backbone. And eventually, altcoin gains will go back into Bitcoin and/or stocks and/or real estate and/or businesses. That's how I look at this game, right? Bitcoin is a 401k. It is a separate 401k that grows and should grow, already has grown, and should continue to grow faster than a traditional 401k. And I still have stocks, by the way, too. I'm not getting out of the stock market or anything like that. I'm not doing anything outlandish here. All I'm saying is it's not too late for Bitcoin, in my opinion. It's not too late to build the backbone of a crypto portfolio in Bitcoin. And again, this is not financial advice. I don't have a crystal ball. I don't have it all figured out, nor do I ever claim to, right? And again, this is just me speaking about my opinions on the market. But I think a lot of people look at Bitcoin and they see it as out of reach, and they just ignore it completely. You can play the altcoin market in order to stack more Bitcoin. Again, that's what I do. right? And I think a lot of people have it wrong where, okay, Bitcoin's flying by. Well, everything else now can move up just as high and it could do all these crazy things too. And we'll be fine, right? There will be big winners in the altcoin market. Okay. There will be people who win on big trades. There will be people who guess right. All I'm saying is this environment is changing from our last bull cycle to now. The last bull cycle, you can literally throw a dart at anything in the top 100 and do extremely well. I just don't think that's the same landscape we are in today. I think you have to be really strategic about which altcoins you're going after, right? I mean, we take a look at some of the ones that have done extremely well that, we've invested in, that I've invested in, and I've been talking about for a really long time. And again, I don't get it all right, but there are certain things I look for, like SUI, new layer one. It could be the next Solana, has a lot of, VC backing and all. It checks a lot of boxes. Same thing with Caspa. We've been talking about Caspa for months. We started investing there at 4 cents. There's a reason for that. It's new kid on the block. It's different, right? You can mine it. It's proof of work. You have to be, in my opinion, in this bull run, way more strategic about your altcoin plays, especially your high conviction plays that you're going to put, a lot of money into. It's not just as easy as it was back in 2021. Throw a dart, hit bullseye. Throw a dart, hit bullseye. Throw a dart, hit bullseye. It used to be that way. But there is a changing of the guards happening right now. And so much of it is because of Bitcoin and just how strong and dominant it's become. So much of the capital is flowing in there. There's not enough capital to flow around and flow down to every single altcoin. And again, do not hear me wrong. I'm not saying every altcoin's going to zero. Just put all your money into Bitcoin. Don't listen to anything I say directly. Just take my opinions, take my insights and utilize it. All I'm saying is I don't think it's too late to build a backbone of the portfolio right now in Bitcoin as we progress into what we hope is a massive bull run into 2025. So this is my take right now. This is kind of just overall how I'm feeling as I'm looking at the market this afternoon. And I want to hear your guys' thoughts down below. Definitely love to hear from you guys. Now, if you do want to know when Bitcoin or various altcoins are getting ready to break out, we've got XT Algo. There's a link down below to this. This is my trading indicator, my software that I came out with last year. There's a great discount code right now offered 21% off all packages. Check it out. Links down below to that. Hopefully you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, evening, or night, wherever you are in the world. And let me know your thoughts on these insights and these opinions. Very curious to hear your guys' take. And I'll be looking for you down in the comment section. And of course, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.